Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get help and support for BitPay Wallet issues. First of all, open the BitPay application on a device. Now, tap the settings gear icon. After that, scroll down and select Help and Support button. From there, you can browse the FAQs or directly submit a support request. You can also visit the BitPay status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or service disruptions that might be affecting your wallet. BitPay also provides support via their official Twitter account, which is @BitPay, where you can tweet or send them a direct message. For general questions and peer supports, you can also visit the BitPay community forum or their Reddit community. Otherwise, go to the official BitPay support page, which is support.bitpay.com. By following these steps, it will help you resolve any issue with the BitPay wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.